Can you imagine we were all created in God's image? And God's people that he created go around the earth hurting one another.
Yeah.
We came from the same Father. And human beings live to hurt one another. Just think about that. Think about what you've done to other people over your lifetime. And then what has been happening to you. That's coming from human beings. That's coming from another person that were created by God. And no one ever, well, most people, ever question, why is that? Why do we have to go off on one another? Why do we deliberately try to hurt one another? People, if you look at our government today, our government is deliberately trying to hurt the people. And why is that? Our government go to war and kill innocent people because they're evil. Just the way we go to war with one another in our world. We're no different than the government. We go to war and try to hurt other human beings. And nobody ever questions, why is that? Why am I mad at someone because they disagree with me? Why am I mad at someone because they tried to hurt me? Why? They don't question that. And because they don't question it, they never see what's really going on and they never overcome.